Yan si ate, yan yung mayari. I-vlog. What is the address?
SALMIYA Street, Jam Center, Block 9, okay, beside Nasr Sport.
Nasr Sports. Sorry. SOUQ SALMIYA.
SOUQ SALMIYA.
Ayan. Ito po yung ano niya. Mga collection. Tag 1 KD lang.
Hi, my name is Alicia.
What is your name?
Alicia.
Alicia. Can you tour with me in your small shop? Show me your shop. Ayan. Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Ayan. Ang content natin ngayon guys, dito po tayo ngayon sa Coco Collection Company. Yan po. Yan po yung shop nila. At ito po yung mayari. He is from Egypt. What is your name? Omar. Ayan. Yan guys, ito po kayo. Pasok tayo doon sa loob sa small shop. Let's go guys. Sa mga hindi pa dyan nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And don't forget to like, comment, and click the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa ating new videos. Yan, let's go guys. Tingnan natin yung shop nila. Yan si ate, yan yung mayari. I-vlog ko yung ano mo dito, te, magkano yung mga price. Ayan, sa nakikita nyo dyan, ayan po yung Coco shop nila sa mga shoes, footwears. Sa gilid yan po yung restaurant. Let's pasok po tayo guys, let's go. Ito yung mayari.
How are you?
Hi sir, how are you?
Yeah, good.
What is your name?
My name is Omar.
You are the owner of this shop, right?
Yeah.
Coco Collection Co.
Coco Collection, Coco Kainan Restaurant, Filipino food.
What do you mean by Coco Collection Co?
Coco, this is one the Coco.
Ah, your name is Coco. So this is your shop.
Yeah, this is
Wow.
for the shop.
Can you tour me in your shop?
Yeah, take him in the shop, yeah.
Ah, tour me.
Yeah.
Yala. And let them show your shop. Oh. Yan guys. 1 KD lang. Tag 1 KD lang siya. What is the address here?
SALMIYA, SALMIYA Street, Jam Center.
What is the address?
SALMIYA Street, Jam Center, Block 9, okay, beside Nasr Sport.
Nasr Sports. Sorry. SOUQ SALMIYA.
SOUQ SALMIYA.
Ayan. Ito po yung ano niya. Mga collection. Tag 1 KD lang siya. Ayan. Yan. Invite them. Talk to them. Invite them to buy in the shop. Yeah. Talk. Look at him.
Come in my shop. Hi, my name is Alicia.
What is your name?
Alicia.
Alicia. Can you tour with me in your small shop? Show me your shop.
I have a lot of shoes.
Oh, what? Oh, wow. This is for women or for men? For men and for women.
We have better.
This is the sanitizer. So these are the shoes. Wow. Only 1 KD.
We have a coin also from there.
Coins for what? Okay, show me your stocks, your items. Show me. What is this? This one, what is this? Slipper. This is for what? For men? For women?
The movement.
For woman. And also this for woman.
Yeah.
This-
These are for women and these are for boys.
So, all of this, 1 KD only? 1 KD each? The price? Oh, it's nice. How about here? This one? Oh, it's 2 KD. This is 2 KD.
And we have this one also too.
2 KD also this one. What is your name? Your name is Coco?
No, her name is Zach. She's Alicia.
He's the owner of the
We have rainbow shoes for boys.
Oh, what is this?
And rainbow shoes are for boys and girls.
Yella, introduce your stocks. Talk.
This is it.
Oh, come
This is it?
on.
And that's the kid.
Which one?
This up one.
2
And
KD.
that is two. Okay, this one.
Which one?
This up one. This is 3 kid.
This is all 3 KD. Wow, so nice. 2 KD and here, this is for man.
This is the
This is one kiddie.
And this is the same.
This is also one kiddie. All one kiddie. Where is your mom?
My mom, I don't know where's my maybe she's in the back.
Ah, in the
Okay,
bathroom.
let's go, Yara. We got enough money to buy something. Let's go to have baby. Ow!
It's done. Where are you going? What is that? This is the restaurant.
Take him in the
Ah, they have also a restaurant. Wow, go inside.
Halo-halo 1 KD.
What is the restaurant? What is that?
That's everything. It's chili.
This is sanitizer.
Yeah, and this one is welcome to our shop.
What is that?
Welcome to our shop.
Welcome to our shop.
There is no smoking allowed.
No, not smoking
And there
area.
is mask.
Should we wear mask?
And there is this light and a lot of TV to see.
TV.
And there is this open 10 a.m.
So your shop will be open to 10 to 10.
And we
10 a.m.
and we have the mic to sing here.
A microphone if you will sing a song.
Chair.
We have a lot of chairs.
And we have the cooking thing.
What is that?
We have some book.
Book.
We have some stuff.
What is that?
All of the stuff to do.
Sauce for what?
Sauce to eat.
Sauce to eat. This is spicy?
No, maybe. There's tissues, plastic cups, glass spoons, and everything what we want. And look inside. And there's the ice there. Yeah. And look, we have some water, tissue bags, and everything. And inside,
What is inside?
we have food, and that all the fridge. And this is the one
It's your
that
cook.
cooks.
Your cook.
This is the chef.
Ah.
Look. And we also have this one mask. And these are things like a bunny. And one wallet, some books. Yeah. And this is glasses.
Wow.
And there is one cup with this.
Okay, invite them to eat here. Invite them.
We have noodles here.
Noodles. Okay, invite the viewers to come here.
There is a lot of people here. And
Yeah.
this is upstairs coming.
Invite them to eat here.
Yeah.
Yeah, talk. Invite them.
They have something upstairs.
No need to go upstairs. Invite them.